My daughter's birthday is tomorrow, and I absolutely love having these balloon arches on hand. That way I can make a big impact super fast. It has that pop of color, that pop of festive, says I care, but doesn't break the bank. I had no issue blowing up balloons. They came in a pack with everything you need. I did use an air pump, and I had no issues there. There's the larger size, 5 all the way up to 20 inches. I really love the shimmer of the gold and the silver. I like the black, and these are so cute, little ones as well. And you do want to use a little bit of static friction to help those confetti pieces stick to the side, but it's super cute to integrate in with the gold, the silver, and the black. I love that the kit also includes the metallic stars. They were super easy to blow up as well with the air pump. They have a touch more shine than the more matte look of the other balloons, but they integrate beautifully. And it does come with the tape to complete the whole arch. You literally just take the knot of each balloon, slide it in the plastic tape, and it stays really well for me. I had no issues. Let's see if I can shake it and show you. No issues putting them in. It's kind of in your face. And shaking it, and everything stayed well and compact together. I also love that you can use the whole kit or you can use parts of the kit. So today I elected to use about 20 of the balloons to create a small little surprise bundle for my college daughter's birthday. And this was her reaction when she came out of class. She was so surprised and so thrilled to get her balloons and her treats to make her feel special. Overall, easy to use, beautiful in person, had no issues with durability. They stayed well, they're shimmering well, they're holding their air. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.